Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of analytics, focusing on two major types: predictive analytics and descriptive analytics. These terms might sound technical, but understanding the difference is crucial for anyone working with data. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or just curious about how organizations make sense of information, this video will help clarify these concepts. We'll start by exploring what analytics means in general, then break down each type, and finally, compare them side by side. Let's begin our journey into the world of data-driven decision-making. Analytics is the process of examining data to uncover patterns, trends, and insights that can inform decisions. In today's digital age, organizations collect massive amounts of data from various sources. Analytics helps make sense of this information, turning raw numbers into actionable knowledge. There are several types of analytics, but two of the most important are descriptive and predictive analytics. Each serves a unique purpose and plays a vital role in how businesses and individuals interpret and use data. Let's take a closer look at what makes each type distinct. Descriptive analytics is all about understanding what has happened in the past. It involves collecting and analyzing historical data to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. This type of analytics answers questions like, what were our sales last quarter? Or how did customer behavior change over the past year? By summarizing past events, descriptive analytics provides a clear picture of what has occurred, helping organizations learn from their experiences and make informed decisions moving forward. To perform descriptive analytics, organizations gather data from various sources, such as sales records, website traffic, or customer feedback. This data is then cleaned and organized to ensure accuracy. Analysts use tools like charts, graphs, and dashboards to visualize the information, making it easier to spot trends and patterns. For example, a company might use descriptive analytics to see which products sold best during a specific period or to track changes in customer satisfaction over time. Descriptive analytics offers several key benefits. It helps organizations understand their past performance, identify strengths and weaknesses, and recognize areas for improvement. By providing a clear summary of historical data, it enables better reporting and communication within teams. This type of analytics is essential for setting benchmarks, tracking progress toward goals, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page when it comes to understanding what has happened in the business. While descriptive analytics is valuable, it does have its limitations. It focuses solely on past events and does not provide insights into what might happen in the future. This means it can't predict upcoming trends or help organizations prepare for potential challenges. Descriptive analytics is best used as a foundation for further analysis, rather than as the sole basis for decision-making. To look ahead, organizations need to turn to other types of analytics. Predictive analytics takes things a step further by using historical data to forecast future outcomes. This type of analytics leverages statistical models, machine learning, and data mining techniques to identify patterns that can predict what is likely to happen next. For example, predictive analytics can help a retailer forecast future sales, or a healthcare provider anticipate patient needs. It's all about turning past data into actionable predictions for the future. Predictive analytics starts with collecting and cleaning historical data, just like descriptive analytics. However, it goes further by applying advanced techniques such as regression analysis, machine learning algorithms, and statistical modeling. These tools help analysts uncover hidden patterns and relationships in the data. By understanding these patterns, predictive analytics can generate forecasts, such as predicting customer churn or estimating future demand for a product. Predictive analytics empowers organizations to make proactive decisions. By anticipating future trends and outcomes, businesses can allocate resources more effectively, reduce risks, and seize new opportunities. For example, a bank might use predictive analytics to identify potential loan defaults, while a marketing team could forecast which campaigns will perform best. This forward-looking approach helps organizations stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changing environment. Despite its advantages, predictive analytics is not without challenges. Its accuracy depends on the quality and relevance of the data used. If the data is incomplete or outdated, predictions may be unreliable. Additionally, predictive models can be complex and require specialized expertise to develop and maintain. It's important for organizations to understand these limitations and use predictive analytics as one tool among many in their decision-making process. Now that we explored both types, let's compare descriptive and predictive analytics. Descriptive analytics focuses on summarizing past events, while predictive analytics looks ahead to forecast future outcomes. Descriptive analytics answers what happened and why, whereas predictive analytics answers what could happen next. Both are valuable, but they serve different purposes and require different tools and techniques. Descriptive analytics is widely used in reporting and performance tracking. For example, businesses use it to analyze sales data, monitor website traffic, and review customer feedback. Healthcare organizations might use descriptive analytics to track patient outcomes, while schools use it to monitor student performance. By providing a clear view of what has happened, descriptive analytics supports better planning and evaluation. Predictive analytics is used to anticipate future trends and behaviors. Retailers use it to forecast demand and optimize inventory. Financial institutions use predictive models to assess credit risk and prevent fraud. In healthcare, predictive analytics can help identify patients at risk for certain conditions. By looking ahead, organizations can make smarter, data-driven decisions that improve outcomes and efficiency. Descriptive analytics relies on tools that help visualize and summarize data. Common tools include spreadsheets, dashboards, and business intelligence platforms. These tools make it easy to create charts, graphs, and reports that highlight key trends and patterns. By using these tools, organizations can quickly understand their data and communicate findings to stakeholders. Predictive analytics uses more advanced tools and technologies. These include statistical software, machine learning platforms, and data mining tools. Such tools allow analysts to build complex models, run simulations, and generate forecasts. While these tools require specialized knowledge, they provide powerful insights that can drive strategic decision-making. Both descriptive and predictive analytics rely on high-quality data. Common sources include sales records, customer databases, website analytics, and social media. The more accurate and comprehensive the data, the more reliable the analysis. Organizations often invest in data management systems to ensure their information is up-to-date and accessible for analysis. Data quality is critical for both types of analytics. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to misleading results and poor decisions. Organizations must ensure their data is clean, consistent, and relevant. This often involves regular data audits, validation processes, and the use of data cleansing tools. High-quality data forms the foundation for effective analytics. Visualization is a key component of descriptive analytics. By presenting data in charts, graphs, and dashboards, organizations can quickly spot trends and communicate findings. Effective visualization makes complex data more accessible and easier to understand, supporting better decision-making across teams. Predictive analytics relies on building models that can forecast future outcomes. These models use historical data to identify patterns and relationships. Analysts test and refine models to improve their accuracy, often using techniques like regression analysis or machine learning. The goal is to create reliable forecasts that support strategic planning. Descriptive analytics is often used for regular reporting. Organizations generate weekly, monthly, or quarterly reports to track performance and monitor progress toward goals. These reports provide a snapshot of what has happened, helping leaders make informed decisions and adjust strategies as needed. Forecasting is a primary use of predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and identifying trends, organizations can predict future sales, customer behavior, or market shifts. These forecasts help businesses prepare for upcoming challenges and opportunities, making them more agile and competitive. Imagine a retail company analyzing last year's sales data to determine which products were most popular. By using descriptive analytics, they can identify best sellers, spot seasonal trends, and understand customer preferences. This information helps them plan inventory and marketing strategies for the coming year. Now, picture the same company using predictive analytics to forecast next quarter's sales. By analyzing past sales patterns and external factors like holidays or promotions, they can estimate future demand. This allows them to optimize inventory, reduce waste, and ensure they meet customer needs. Descriptive analytics answers questions like, what happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? By focusing on these questions, organizations can build a solid understanding of their past performance and identify areas for improvement. Predictive analytics, on the other hand, answers questions like, what is likely to happen next? What trends should we prepare for? By addressing these questions, organizations can plan ahead and make more strategic decisions. Common techniques in descriptive analytics include data aggregation, data mining, and data visualization. These methods help summarize large datasets and make it easier to identify patterns. By using these techniques, organizations can quickly gain insights from their historical data. Predictive analytics often uses techniques like regression analysis, classification, and machine learning. These approaches help build models that can forecast future outcomes based on historical data. By applying these techniques, organizations can make more accurate predictions and better prepare for the future. A hospital uses descriptive analytics to review patient admission data from the past year. By analyzing this information, they can identify peak admission times, common diagnoses, and resource needs. This helps them allocate staff and resources more effectively, improving patient care. An airline uses predictive analytics to forecast flight demand. By analyzing historical booking patterns and external factors like holidays, they can predict which routes will be most popular. This allows them to adjust schedules and pricing, maximizing revenue and customer satisfaction. Descriptive analytics helps businesses understand their current position and past performance. By providing clear insights into what has happened, it supports better decision-making, goal setting, and performance evaluation. This foundational knowledge is essential for any organization looking to grow and succeed. Predictive analytics enables businesses to anticipate changes and respond proactively. By forecasting future trends, organizations can allocate resources more efficiently, reduce risks, and capitalize on new opportunities. This forward-thinking approach is key to staying competitive in today's fast-paced world. One challenge with descriptive analytics is ensuring data accuracy and completeness. Inconsistent or missing data can lead to incorrect conclusions. Organizations must invest in proper data management and validation processes to ensure their analysis is reliable and meaningful. Predictive analytics faces challenges such as model complexity and data quality. Building accurate models requires expertise and high-quality data. Additionally, external factors like market changes or unexpected events can impact predictions, making it important to regularly update and validate models. To get the most out of descriptive analytics, organizations should focus on data quality, use effective visualization tools, and ensure regular reporting. Clear communication of findings is also essential so that everyone understands the insights and can act on them. For predictive analytics, it's important to use high-quality data, select appropriate modeling techniques, and regularly validate models. Collaboration between data scientists and business leaders ensures that predictions are relevant and actionable. Descriptive analytics is used by a wide range of professionals, including business analysts, marketers, healthcare providers, and educators. Anyone who needs to understand past performance or report on results can benefit from descriptive analytics. Predictive analytics is commonly used by data scientists, financial analysts, marketers, and operations managers. These professionals rely on predictive models to forecast trends, optimize processes, and drive strategic decisions. In summary, descriptive analytics helps organizations understand what has happened by analyzing historical data. It's essential for reporting, performance tracking, and identifying trends. While it doesn't predict the future, it provides a solid foundation for further analysis and decision-making. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future outcomes. It enables organizations to anticipate trends, reduce risks, and make proactive decisions. While it requires advanced tools and expertise, its insights can be invaluable for strategic planning. Choosing between descriptive and predictive analytics depends on your goals. If you need to understand past performance or report on results, descriptive analytics is the way to go. If you want to anticipate future trends and make proactive decisions, predictive analytics is more appropriate. Often, organizations use both types together for a comprehensive approach. Many organizations integrate descriptive and predictive analytics for maximum impact. By first understanding what has happened, they can build more accurate models to predict what will happen next. This integrated approach supports better decision-making and drives business success. Future of analytics is bright, with new technologies making it easier to collect, analyze, and interpret data. As artificial intelligence and machine learning continue to evolve, both descriptive and predictive analytics will become even more powerful, helping organizations make smarter, faster decisions. To wrap up, remember that descriptive analytics helps you understand the past, while predictive analytics helps you prepare for the future. Both are essential tools in today's data-driven world. By using them together, organizations can gain deeper insights and make better decisions. Here's a quick summary. Descriptive analytics focuses on past events, uses tools like dashboards and reports, and answers what happened. Predictive analytics forecasts future outcomes, uses advanced modeling, and answers what could happen next. Both are valuable for different reasons and often work best together. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of predictive and descriptive analytics. By understanding the differences and strengths of each, you're better equipped to make sense of data and drive meaningful results. Remember, the right analytics approach can transform information into powerful insights for the future.